The water cycle, also known as the hydrologic cycle, is a continuous process that describes the movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the earth. It's a fundamental process that sustains life on our planet. Here's a breakdown of the key stages. Evaporation. This is the process where liquid water changes into water vapor, a gas. The primary source of evaporation is the sun's heat, which warms water in oceans, lakes, rivers, and soil. Increased temperatures accelerate evaporation. Transpiration. This is the process where water evaporates from plant leaves. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots and then release it into the atmosphere as vapor. This process is a significant contributor to atmospheric moisture. Condensation. As water vapor rises into the atmosphere, it cools. Cooling causes the water vapor to condense, changing back into tiny water droplets. These droplets clump together to form clouds. Precipitation. When the water droplets in clouds become heavy enough, they fall back to Earth as precipitation. Precipitation can take many forms, including rain, snow, sleet, and hail. The form of precipitation depends on atmospheric temperature and conditions. Infiltration. Some precipitation seeps into the ground, a process called infiltration. This water fills the spaces between soil particles and rocks, becoming groundwater. Groundwater can flow into rivers, lakes, and oceans, or be stored in aquifers. Runoff. Some precipitation flows over the land surface as runoff. Runoff flows into streams, rivers, and eventually the ocean. The amount of runoff is influenced by factors like the slope of the land, the type of soil, and the amount of vegetation. Storage. Water is stored in various locations throughout the water cycle, including oceans, the largest reservoir of water on Earth, lakes and rivers, surface water bodies, groundwater, water stored underground in aquifers, ice and snow, water stored in glaciers and ice caps, and the atmosphere, water vapor in the air. Key aspects. The water cycle is a continuous process, with water constantly moving between different states and locations. The water cycle involves the transfer of energy, particularly heat. Evaporation absorbs heat, while condensation releases heat. The water cycle is essential for life on Earth, providing fresh water for drinking, agriculture, and other human activities. Human activities, such as deforestation, urbanization, and pollution, can significantly impact the water cycle. Climate change is also having a major impact on the water cycle, changing precipitation patterns and accelerating evaporation. If you like our videos, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment for informative videos.